Hello, welcome to the Robotics for Kids tutorial. My name is Emerike Adaeze. I'm a STEM education facilitator and I'll be your guide through this video. Now that we have our Scratch offline editor, let's code a simple program. The objective is to understand how programming works using Scratch. Now let's create a simple program to see how it all works. We would like to meet the sprite here. We would like to get to know its name, to tell the sprite our name as well. We'll get to know how old we are, just have a conversation with the sprite. But we would like the sprite to initiate the conversation. The first thing we should do is to select an event. The event that will serve as a cue. If it occurs, then let our code be executed. An example is someone running a race. You don't just start running at will or whenever you want. You have to wait to hear the whistle go before you start running. So the person racing, the person running will have to wait to hear the whistle go off before the person starts running. So in this case, we want an event to occur before our code we're executing in this section. And that event is when flag is clicked. It could be when sprite is clicked, when I click on the sprite. It could be when spacebar key is pressed on your laptop. Arrow down, letters, ABCD. There are several events that you can choose from to occur before your code is executed. But in this case, we'll use when flag is clicked. So we'll select when flag clicked. So when this flag is clicked, what do we want? The first stage of a conversation is greeting. Usually people will just say hello. So we'll go to looks and we'll select say hello for 2 seconds. 2 might be a little too much, so let's change that value to 1. And it says hello. After saying hello, what's the next thing we should expect is for the sprite to tell us its name. So we'll click on this, drag and drop it here. And in this section, now let's call the sprite Zoe. I need to say my name is Zoe for 2 seconds. Hello, my name is Zoe. So after that, we would like Zoe to ask us what our name is. Then we'll go to sensing. In sensing, you find a code that allows Zoe to ask us our name and then give us a chance to tell Zoe what our name is, to impute our name. Now let's run this block of code. Hello, my name is Zoe. What is your name? In this box, you can type in your name, type in Adaeze, and tick enter. So now we've told Zoe our name. What response should we expect from her? Zoe can say we have a nice name and then say that name that we entered into this place, into that box. So let's go to operators. We'll select the join. This block of code allows us to add 2 events together. So here we will want to tell Zoe what to do, and then here we want Zoe to actually take an answer that we've given her and then use it back in the code, in the execution process. So we'll insert this here. Zoe would say Adaeze, that's a lovely name. Okay, so because we gave Zoe an answer when she asked for our name, we'll go back to sensing and pick this code that says answer and we'll insert it here. So whatever answer I typed in here when Zoe asked my name will appear here automatically. So Zoe can now further say Adaeze, comma, that's a lovely name. Full stop. So now let's run this code and see what will happen. Hello, my name is Zoe. What is your name? I'll type in Adaeze. Adaeze, that's a lovely name. So you see the answer I gave was Adaeze, and Zoe used it right back in this statement, in this sentence here. So now let's try again. Let's try another name. Hello, my name is Zoe. What is your name? Let's try Paul. Enter. Paul, that's a lovely name. So there's a mistake here. Lovely name. So whatever name we give here, when Zoe asks for our name, Zoe will repeat that name here, because the answer we gave here automatically is filled in here. So now Zoe knows our name. Let's make Zoe ask how old we are. So we'll take the code for ask, or insert it here. Let's type in how old are you? The question mark. Now we'll get another opportunity to type in how old we are. Let's run the code. Hello, my name is Zoe. What is your name? Adaeze. Enter. Nice. That's a lovely name. How old are you? 23. Here. So let's assume Zoe wants to say it's nice to meet us. So we'll go to looks, say it's nice to meet you. To meet you. Okay. Hello, my name is Zoe. What is your name? Adaeze. Adaeze, that's a lovely name. How old are you? 23. Nice to meet you. There's a mistake here. That's a lovely name. Yeah. Okay, that's a simple conversation we can have with any sprite of our choice. In this case, we had it with a cat named Zoe. So we can save our work here. Yes. We can call it convo. That's conversation with Zoe. That's a little long name, but let us remember. And then I would like to save mine in this folder called Adaeze. I have a folder for Scratch, and I'll save it in there. Okay, so here's the project name: Convo with Zoe. A conversation with Zoe, because we got to know her name is Zoe. We've told her our name, said our name is lovely, asked how old we are, and that it's a pleasure to meet us. Likewise here. So for today, we're going to stop here. In the next video, we'll be learning how to animate a name. Ensure to carry out this exercise and let's get your feedback.